Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Join me in this fun and creative tutorial as I draw Olaf, the lovable snowman from Disney's Frozen. Let's start by drawing the carrot that forms his nose. Do you remember who gave him the nose? Let me know in the comments, please. Now let's add the eyes. Draw two big circles above the nose. Let's create the shape of his head. This should be a semicircle, slightly flattened at the top. Okay, well done. Now let's draw the mouth. The top part of the jaw should look like the letter U. I am sure you know how to draw that. Let's draw the rest of the mouth. Did you know Olaf was originally designed to be a villain? The creative team initially envisioned him as a more sinister character, but as they developed his personality, he became the lovable and comedic snowman we know today. His innocence and unwavering positivity were ultimately a perfect match for the film's themes of love and friendship. And now, the super fun part. Let's draw two circles for the body. And of course, let's not forget his feet. There it is. Wait, I feel something is missing. Ah, the hands, of course. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.